Hello guys, so how are you all? Hope you all are fine. After today Christmas break, the Big Bash League will resume on Tuesday with a double header matches. The first matches will playing between Sydney Sixers versus Melbourne Stars. So in this match, this match is playing in 26 December at 12:35 p.m. in Indian Standard Time. So in this video I will talk about all the match details or the match preview, head to head, possible playing 11 and pre-lineup team in this video. So first of all we will talk about the pitch and conditions. So this match is playing on Sydney Cricket Ground, Sydney in Australia. So if you talk about the pitch report, this is totally balanced pitch. A total 21 matches have been playing on this venue, in which team have batting first have won 12 matches and which team has bowling first has won 8 matches in this venue. If you talk about the average score, so average score is 160 is average score in this match, and batting first after winning the toss would be right decision in this venue. Let's move ahead and talk about the head to head stats about both of teams. So if you talk about the head to head stats, total 20 matches have been played in both of teams, where Sydney Sixers won 13 matches and Melbourne Stars won 7 matches in head-to-head comparison. Let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. So first of all we will talk about the Sydney Sixers possible playing 11, where Josh Philippe and James Wills probably open the inning, and Daniel Hawes will come on first down. Moises Henry, Jordan Sears, Jack Edwards and Joel Davis will handle the middle order from the Sydney Sixers, and Ben Doardui, Jackson Bird will handle the pacing attack from the Sydney Sixers, and Todd Murphy and Steve Caffey will handle the spinning attack from the Sydney Sixers. Guys, let's move ahead and talk about the other opponent team, which is Melbourne Stars possible playing 11. So Tom Rogers and Sam Harper probably open the inning. B. Webster will come on first down. Glenn Maxwell and Marcus Stoinis and H. Cartwright and J. Marlowe will handle the middle order from the Melbourne Stars. Al Dawson, Osama Mir, Mark Stackey and Harish Rauf will handle the bowling attack from the Melbourne Stars. Guys, this is the total playing 11, probably playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips. So looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman would be crucial. Here you can pick top order batsman of both of teams, and also death over bowlers are always excellent wicket taker in fantasy. They can turn game around anytime in this match. So pick death over bowlers also, and wicket keeping sections both are good. You can also pick Josh Philippe and Harper also, and both of department will get good support from the surface 7. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the pre-lineup team. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup team. So in wicket keeping sections I am picking Josh Philippe, and batsman sections I am picking James Wills, Daniel Hawes and Tom Fraser-Ruggles. And all-rounder sections I am picking Moises Henry, Glenn Maxwell, Marcus Stoinis and B. Webster. From the bowling sections I am picking Ben Doardui, Jackson Bird and Harish Rauf. This is my pre-lineup team, where my captain choice is Glenn Maxwell and vice captain choice is B. Webster. Guys, you can also pick Moises Henry as a captain or vice captain choice, and Ben Doardui will also a great choice of captain or vice captain. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team. After lineup, final team will post on Telegram channels. You can join my Telegram channel from the description. So guys, meet you next video.